So Kelli, what can you tell us?
Well, we have seen that COVID-19 has definitely accelerated the use of digital in financial services, and we believe that change is going to be here with us forever for both advisors and for clients. Our advisors are working from home, providing advice to our clients using Zoom each and every day, many times a day. And for our investors, we're seeing them, we've saw a 200% increase in trades over the last 2 months. We also have seen that they are participants in the market in terms of buys. Each and every day since we saw the onset of the market volatility, we have seen more buys than sells. In fact, we're seeing 65% of the trades that have been going are actually buys.
Wow. You know, what most surprised me is that people still exist who don't trade online. You know, I mean, so yeah, I almost didn't even know there was any other way to do it at this point. So, and I have actually an interesting personal anecdote about this. I tried to execute a trade through Chase, and they said you have to open this You Invest. Long story short, it took like 3 days to open the account. The trade never went through, and as a result, you guys saved me a lot of money. So I want to thank you for the little bit of a delay built into that processing time. I assume I wouldn't experience that if the account were already up and running.
No, and you shouldn't typically experience that. In fact, our clients typically experience that the accounts are opened in real time within the hour. And we saw over the last 3 months, in fact, our account openings have surged so that it was at the peak, really 400% increase in the amount of accounts that were opened. And we're seeing clients fund those accounts faster than ever so that they can take advantage of the changes that are going on in the marketplace.
Yeah, this was a Sunday night, so for sure there was not real-time trading going on. But again, we chuckle about it at home because it turned out to be a blessing. So you mentioned that more people have been buying than selling. Is there any other insight you can offer us about kind of generational buying and selling, or the kinds of things, the kinds of investments different age groups are making?
Yes, well, overall, we've seen, interestingly, that clients are buying more travel stocks than we've ever seen before, and not as much big tech as we've seen earlier in the year. But then if we look generationally, we see that our older clients are actually shifting money in a way they haven't before from investments to deposits. Really, our boomers are trying to preserve capital and manage their risk. On the other hand, our younger clients have been more likely to use You Invest, and actually we're seeing then more of an uptake in terms of the account openings that we've seen and the funding that they've moved money into the markets to take advantage of where the markets are going.
That's fascinating. So you're seeing people buying more travel stocks and less big tech. In general, like you said, more buys than sells on any given day that people have been in the market. And I mean, it kind of speaks to a couple of different trends. One is that, you know, the whole idea that retail is dumb money is an old idea, and it's not, and that's no longer true. And the other maybe is that it tells us that that is consensus, and then makes me afraid if that's consensus, that, you know, people are so quick to buy these travel stocks that maybe there is a rougher slog ahead. I don't know. Warren Buffett was selling the airlines.
Well, I can't really comment on if I think really our retail investors are taking advantage of the momentum that's going on. And they're looking to us for help as they're going through this. So what they're looking for from us is they're looking for real up-to-date information on the markets. They're using our JP Morgan proprietary research to help inform the trades that they're making. And importantly, they're actually coming and flooding our client calls that we're having each and every week. So they're looking for our perspective on the markets and for us to help guide them through this time.
Fascinating. Kelli, with an I, thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
Kelli Keough with JP Morgan Chase.